All right, gentlemen, today where are we going? We're going to Beehive Trail in Acadia National Park. We're at the scene in the Elantra End. How we feeling, boys?
Hiking. Ready for a hike.
Ready for a hike?
What?
Here, probably about close to half a mile down the road to Beehive. Parking is like crazy. Have to drive a half mile down the road just to get some parking, but about to start the day. Here we go.
Only 2 miles, that's it?
Hold on. I just want to get all trail started up.
If you're wondering why John's always navigating,
I literally have no cell service. We're going to have to do this old school. Alright, before we start, does anybody have an actual, like, real fear of heights?
No.
Going once? I'm not going to judge if you do.
What do you think of Beta?
John,
okay. Heights, look.
The
All right.
fear of height that I have, John, is it being too low when I'm standing on the stack of cash that we see.
Alright.
I have fear of not being a winner.
True.
Yesterday must have been pretty scary. Cool. It was scary.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, I gotta say, for the first time in my life, I actually went to make it
Yeah. Casinos only pay out, you know? I agree.
Do it now before, yeah. Before it gets too technical, yeah.
I already watched Turtle McCool's ankle 3 times.
Yeah, this is actually a good seat for you to sit on, Drew.
I thought you said there was a bathroom to go height.
I thought there was too.
Alright, we'll survive.
What, the pee or?
Yeah. We get up a little bit
It's
more.
very busy, so I wouldn't recommend trying to peel up the side of the trail today. Unless you're like very far off.
That's what I assumed, just pissing in the woods, but it is busy, you're right.
I haven't seen a trail this busy since Bear Mountain, John.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Cross over to the other side of the islet. So like,
Yes?
like this goes over
Oh, yeah.
here.
Okay.
Up to there.
Yeah.
And then this goes
Nice.
up and over. And then just tie them tight. Just make sure you
It's not like this?
Yeah, exactly.
I
Same like this.
You got undone.
Yours are
even worse.
Oh, you'd rather the Chevy?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted a Ford one.
No, Chevys are cool. I was gonna buy a Ford.
In it?
Yeah, I could. Yeah. That should be like pretty much tight, right?
I'd say snug. Not too snug, but snug enough.
Yeah.
Ford Explorer.
Maybe do a little more. So you're not like allowed to just walk anywhere in the woods, right?
They tell you to stay on trails.
They patrol and stuff?
If they catch you, it's not going to be a good day.
Technically, this is our land. Being United States citizens. Oh, well, not citizens.
Yeah, buddy. Respect my land.
Well, if I was.
Hello, ice.
Pop-Tart.
All right, you good, Drew?
Yep. They feel
All
snug.
right, let's go.
Oh, was it?
Too busy tying your shoes like a 2-year-old.
2-year-old?
Or like a 5-year-old, I should say. I don't know how to tie my shoes. Whoa. Fuck. John's gonna die.
That was like an EU to help stay away from trees.
I don't need one. It's actually probably not good for this.
Really?
No. You see how all of this bark is so smoothed out? It's because so many people in the oil in their hands have used this as a handhold, and then this is all the regular bark.
Imagine
You're
trail
gonna be
running
seeing
up
that
there,
all.
John.
Absolutely no.
I don't have the same problem with it. Those are kind of like the Sigmas of the hiking trail.
I felt like that being out of breath, but I guess everyone else is out of breath too. I'm not out of breath.
Oh yeah? Heart rate's 150, I'm out of bed.
What was that, your resting heart rate?
Almost.
Mine sucks.
If we ever get separated, keep an eye on these blue trail markers.
Okay.
That tells us the trail that we're heading on.
I'm just gonna follow you.
Hey John, when
your
you said
boots.
hiking boots, I thought you meant like 40-pound military boots.
No,
Like a tarantula you're hiding. Operation Desert Storm. Yeah.
nope.
Those are actually a really nice hybrid.
Yeah,
Yeah, these are good.
yeah, you guys got good
We
boots.
have more like real boots. But those would be better for like flat stuff.
Yeah.
These are probably slightly better for
All right. Pretty good progress on the Beehive so far.
Now, is this like an out and back trail, John, or did we
It's a loop.
around somewhere else?
It's a loop.
But like he doesn't have to. Do I do ladders or no?
Loop ladder. Ladder loop. Okay.
Which one's harder?
That one. Ladder loop. Here we go. Excuse me, sorry.
Trying to have your dog like scale inside his foot. That'd be great. Trying to have your dog scale over his foot. That'd be great.
Yeah, some of the dogs probably love this stuff.
There's points where you're probably gonna have to literally carry your dog up.
You have a beta dog, maybe. They had mountain dogs, John. Mountain dogs can't climb up mountains.
Mountain goats, mountain lions.
Mountain dogs.
The guy over at Tomato
Made me feel skinny and lose on muscle mass.
You're gonna feel it in your quads though.
What you say, John?
You're gonna feel it in your quads though.
This reminds me of the time you took us on a 9-mile hiking trail.
We're doing all four of you now.
If you guys need to stop or slow down for whatever reason, just yell.
The lighting is just difficult. Oh, that is difficult.
Holy crap. Take a look, Chris.
It's a little flimsy though.
Whenever you guys are ready. No rushing.
Oh, look at it. Beautiful.
Kind of reminds me a little bit of Bear Mountain, Chris.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Stone steps carved into the side of the mountain.
That's a new pole.
Just make sure the rock doesn't fall out. This is wild. This is literally like I got you guys. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. That was a little tree, a little bump right.
Holy smokes. I got a little sketched there for a second. I slipped a little bit.
Oh, this is the ladder?
Yeah.
Like 15 rungs. What? You didn't use it? I'm just gonna try to pretend to.
Kurt, Drew, how you guys doing? Doing good?
Yeah.
Good. No pain in your feet or anything?
Nope. No.
Fantastic.
Just pain in my heart.
Pain in your heart. That's quite unfortunate.
Yeah, you're right, John. I actually can see like anywhere there's a good kind of handhold. There's a sheen of oil on it.
It's from all the oils from our skin.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little beaver dam. The beaver did this.
Probably people's abandoned hiking sticks.
Oh, I mean, these are crap. What, the metal? Oh yeah, it's a little sussy. Going in from an angle there.
Just take it slow.
Clear?
Yeah. I like this one. Look at this. Yeah, that sounds pretty hollow though.
Guys, we're doing real life peak.
Yeah, right? Oh, that's a good Snapchat.
How you doing back there?
I'm doing good. This isn't so bad. I'm gonna make the YouTube video for this. Peak IRL.
Let me do that.
Okay. That was literally a sheer drop off. Like,
That was what?
that was like a sheer drop off.
Was that one?
Holy shit, yeah.
Yeah, we have gone up pretty high actually.
We are.
400 feet of elevation already.
That's actually close to almost all of it. We have like another 100 feet. Once we get to the top of the Beehive, holy crap. These little pine trees are crazy. How they hold up everybody's weight. Good, Chris?
Yep.
It's not like that's like a you see this like burnt field over here or something? That's like a sacrificial gold. That's a pretty old field to me.
Yeah.
Look, you don't see it? Oh yeah, it's like
Here's a backup.
Oh, wait, hold on a second. Ah, a ladybug fell. Right down there.
There you go. Alright, ready? Do you like it?
Yeah.
That was intense. That part. Reminding me of Cape Town a little bit. I'm sorry about that.
I wouldn't surprise me if
Is this cute?
No, not quite.
Let's go to that store and get you new hiking shoes.
We'll treat it good. Nice breeze.
I think you need new like tennis shoes. Because the ones that like they're all shoes.
Yeah, you go first, Kurt.
I would wait.
Almost there, guys.
Oh, this
Doing
looks like
good.
a kitchen knife. Yo, look at this rock.
It does look like a kitchen
Sick.
knife.
Look at this one. Oh.
It's a sign.
It's a sign. When the plans make it out of the group chat, folks. Holy crap. This is gorgeous. Sheesh. Oh, golly. This is. What did I say about carrying dogs?
Or maybe that one right there. That's the one I was trying to about.
Oh, there's a dog in the back there.
That's cool.
Oh. Wow.
You can't even say that about it because
Wait, this is the Bumblebee Trail, right? That's really good.
All right.
How long was that cooking?
Yeah, he was cooking it for 20 minutes.
No, more than you guys cooked up in those 20 minutes.
I'm just focusing on the views, man.
It's a crazy story. Plumb to your death because you're looking at Boba.
He died doing what he loved.
Fumbling. Whew.
Are we doing that one?
I don't know. I think that's outside of Acadia.
Oh.
We should offer to watch Josh.
Who said I needed 10 layers? Who said that? Was that you, John?
Well, I said dress in layers, so that way you can strip.
I'm gonna freeze like Iceman up in here. You know what Iceman is? Who? You know who Iceman? That's the. He's up there for 30,000 years. Yeah.
Oh, Utsi or whatever the guy's name was?
What?
Utsi or whatever?
Yeah. Utsi Iceman.
I remember learning about that in history class.
Look. Okay.
Pretty close. It just gets more technical from here
This
because
is only like a mile, no?
the whole trail is about 1.5 miles, 2 miles, but you're gaining like 500-600 feet of elevation or something like that. I think it's like 500 feet.
Yeah, does anybody have a leg pump?
A what?
A leg pump?
A little bit.
I don't at all, actually.
Not much.
That's absolutely you don't train legs for 3 weeks. You're nice and fresh. My knee feels
I mean, I did legs on Monday.
Oh.
Hitting.
Well, you definitely
I don't mind it.
watch this one right now. You know, my goal for today is to have a Maine bread hot dog.
That's your side quest, Chris?
That's what I want to have for lunch. A Maine hot dog. There's a little thing to grab onto here, John.
Yeah, good point. Good moves.
I might at somewhere.
Oh wow.
Oh, Jesus. What? Oh. God damn. That's cool.
Oh, really? Nice. Cool.
A little advice for you guys is try to hold as many points of contact.
Yeah.
I would not be.
Yeah, I don't trust myself that much.
You can probably hold on.
Yeah, that's kind of stuff. You should be holding things
Try to hold at least 3 things.
as many times as you can.
Yeah, 3 points of contact is always a good idea.
Oh, really?
Kurt, you're the engineer. You should be knowing this.
I have been. Climbing things.
Yeah, climbing windmills.
Yeah. That's what they teach you. Thinking an alternative path.
You still there?
I think I'm gonna let them go a little bit
I like how the
longer.
pole thing was more slippery than the rock.
Yeah.
The steps are like slippery.
Yeah.
Do you think it's like
In texture.
I need to like power through.
You're at that point already.
I mean, you could. It just would be.
What do you think the views up here?
But you could do it.
Pretty breathtaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty
I
stunning.
think so.
Maya said this is why we put the actual material like Go with that.
Hugging the rock.
Rock huggers.
This is like rock climbing.
Wow.
Yeah.
I told you I was going to throw you guys into the deep end.
This is the deep end?
Yeah, pretty much. Short of actual rock climbing, but
Yeah, if I hiked the Nikes, I would actually be the bottom of this mountain.
that's why I told you.
Your legs are your strongest muscles. They push you up. It said pull you up. Training legs? Good.
I should really be giving you more room, Chris.
What's up?
I really should be giving you more room than I am.
If I fall, you're pushing me with your body.
Yeah, seriously.
3 points of contact.
I'm gonna let them go all the way up that.
I'm finding the view spot for the first time. Feel around a little. Don't use the grass.
Yeah, don't use the grass. That's going to snap in an instant, Drew. We're almost there, guys. Just around the bend. I have no clue if it's around the bend, Chris. I'm just saying that. Holy shit. Holy crap. If this is what Teddy Roosevelt remotely did, this is freaking awesome.
Yeah. Want to wait for a sec?
I think we gotta go down around that way.
Oh, it's okay. No, we gotta go up.
Well, there's 2 trail markers, I guess. Nah, I'll be back in case when you guys get hurt. Oh shit, that was close. Oh my God. Peak IRL. Holy crap, we're at the top. This is sick. We're at the top.
What's happening?
Holy crap. You guys want to take a break from it? Yeah. For the view? We worked so hard to get up here.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Who's on? Alex, how have you been?